So a very warm and a pleasant good morning to my lovely students of class 10th. And I would like to first introduce you all. Everything you all know it very well. We are struggling so hard with this corona time and pandemic period. And this is the information which we need to give to CBSE that yes, our kids know more about these things, awareness and all, which has to be given through our online classes. So I'm going to show you the PDF first, and then I will move into my study part, and then next lesson we are going to start with. So let's move ahead. Okay. Um, Hold on. Yes. So this is the PDF, children, which you need to take care of, and you have to see this has been made by our art teacher. You know it. You know everything. Mask lagana hai, hateli yeri pe lena hai, dhona hai. You know all these things. So it is done in our school, and these are the social distancing which sir has prepared in our school and which has been projected. Now you can see maintain social distancing while even in we are standing in the queue after the lunch and all. So these are the things. Social distancing. This is written in Chhattisgarhi. Social distancing la apnana hai and corona la bhagana hai. This is written in Chhattisgarhi. And this is the PDF. These are the PDF of how we can keep ourselves fit and fine. And so you can understand that how the things are going on. All the things, it is written in Chhattisgarhi. And social distancing. This year is really, we cannot, every 100 years, one pandemic time comes. It has been recorded. So you all know it very well. So now we have to take these things. Isn't it? Fine. So you can see how we will sit in the classroom. That is also decided. Measurement is also decided. We are practicing the social distancing. So during the exam hours also we have to do the same thing. That's what I need to tell you all about. Now we will directly move to the study section, and that is here. Yeah. So we are going to start with a new chapter. Madam rides the bus. Right. Before I begin with this, let me introduce you the story, Madam Ride the Bus, first to you all, and I hope so. Just wait a second. I will come back to you all. Okay. Madam Ride the Bus is a story where you will feel that emotions and the truth of life is been fluctuated, is been presented in the story, where you will see how one wishes. For example, if I say, when you all were small, when you all were at home, if you see something more than what you are getting in front of your eyes, some of the other way you all also feel like कि yes, मुझे ये मिलना चाहिए, I want this, isn't it? So these things come in our mind, and we always try to go for it and urge for it, isn't it? Am I right? I hope so. The things are clear now. You will see. When I will discuss the story with you all. Now you can understand what I mean to say. Many times in our life, such kind of things happens which is unexpected, isn't it? That means we expect something and suddenly something else happens with us. And to overcome those situations in our life, that is very tough, And this is how life teaches us how to begin with it. Life teaches us how to move ahead. Life teaches us that life show should never stop, even if there is many such kind of situations that where we have to fight ourselves and then we have to stand on our feet, that we are not stopping ourselves to move ahead in life. So that's what we have to keep it in mind. Am I right? So now next point we come to is बोलते ना एक छोटी सी आशा जिंदगी में makes you to the to point out or to fulfill all your expectations. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा उदाहरण मैं अपना देती हूँ. Let me give you all my example. I am a child of a very lower middle class family, right? Where I was born first. We were running our life in a very tough time, and but my parents made only one thing done, for which I am here actually, I should say. That is, they made me study in a convent school, जबकि उनके पास पैसे इतने नहीं थे. That is the reason behind where I am now. Now let me tell you all a very short incident. When I was very small, na children, when I was playing with my friends, हम लोग बिल्लस खेलते थे. If you know what is billas, we make a square chalk से बनाते हैं and we play it with a stone. So I was playing that, और मैं गुल्ली डंडा भी खेलती थी. So I was like that type of a girl. So what I did is I was looking at the plane. Plane उड़ के जाता था and I was looking at the plane कि काश वो दिन कब आएगा जब मैं प्लेन में चढ़ूंगी. Because our expectation, my expectation was very nominal, na. I was not even able to sit in a vehicle. Means car तो दूर की बात है बेटा हमारे लिए, ठीक है? So I was like that from that type of family first. But education was our first forma, so they gave me the best education what they can give me. Now it's okay, they are living a sound life. Now we are also in a sound position. That is separate thing, by the grace of God and my hard work. That's all. Now, same thing will happen with here also the same small girl, Madam. We will see in the story. Ki, small emotions, how it will grow up in her and how she will learn the things, how she will move into the journey of the life. And this is going to be the most important things where we will see how it will be taken. Okay, so let's move into the story now. At least imagine you have a picture in your mind that what we are going to study about, right? छोटी छोटी सी आशाएं जो लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा टर्न लेती हैं, right? You might be seeing. Let's move into the story, then we can understand, right?
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैम बुक से पढ़ा सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, बेटा.
मैम कैन यू यूज टेक्स्ट बुक?
Today I can't. Next time, next class I will do that. Okay.
ओके मैम. 10th की फर्स्ट स्लाइड बुक का एक और चैप्टर कवर करेंगे. दिस इज चैप्टर नंबर 9. मैडम.
Okay. So, Madam Rides the Bus by Wali Kannan. Okay. And the story is from South India. It's a Tamil story. You can see it's written on the screen. And it's a really an interesting story. It's totally a story with the rides on the bus. And we will move ahead with this English Academy only. Okay, so shall we? First, let us listen.
वो बस की सवारी करना चाहती है, तो जब वो बस में बैठती है क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं, यही सब इस स्टोरी में हमें बताया गया है।
The story is totally about a small 8-year girl, children. Okay. She's a small little girl of 8 years and she has an urge of riding a bus because uh, she never sat on a bus and her wishes and her urge of sitting on a bus is so high that how she will move, we will see, go ahead and let's watch. In this sensitive story, an 8-year-old girl's first bus journey into the world outside her village is also her induction. You know, you all are studying science, and what is induction, you can understand. The process or action of bringing about or giving rise to something. See, the process or action of bringing about. So, this is a terminology of science to get attracted towards something, right? Getting inducted. Okay. When you all see something and you start getting closure to it, you get inducted by that particular event. It can be a person, it can be anything, it can be anything else. About giving rise to something, and you get inducted and you rise yourself more and more in that, and you get indulged in it, isn't it? Into the mystery of life and death. Now she will, how we will see this, how it happens, we will see it slowly, slowly. So there's a story of a small 8-year girl child, right, children? Her name is Wali. She sees the gap between our knowing that there is death and our understanding of it. Means she sees the gap between our knowing that there is death. हम जानते हैं कि कुछ एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है, कुछ और लाइफ में आ सकते हैं टफ टाइम, एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ इट, उसको कैसे वो एक्सेप्ट करती है चीजों को. आई जस्ट नाउ टोल्ड यू ना, इन आवर लाइफ many such kind of situation arises where we are, when we look back, na children, we are nowhere, but we also know that we have to move ahead in life, right? There's a big saying of Rajkumar ji of movies, I'm talking about media: show should never stop, never stop, right? This is a very big line, and you might remember that the big sayings of Charlie Chaplin, you all have read also many a times. Why he stands under the rain, not to get wet, children, but to stop his tears, so that no one else can see that whether he is crying or he is happy. The big meaning behind it, na? Very big meaning. We will discuss all these things later on. Let us see ahead. Now, there was a girl named Williamine. She was called as Wali, who was called as Wali for short. She was 8 years old and very curious, eager to know or learn something. Every time having an urge of knowing something or the other. अच्छा ये कैसे, अच्छा वो कैसे. Eager to know or learn something about things. Okay. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway. You can see the screen on the right hand side of yours on the slide. Doorway, an entrance to a room or building through a door of her house, watching what was happening in the street outside. Means this was a pastime. See children, there will be many types of questions, many type of questions arose. So the first thing will be like, key, what was her pastime? What was Wali's pastime? So that type of, and you need to describe the scene. What was the first time? You will describe it first, and then you will describe the character of Wali and why she was actually indulged in this type of hobby, like pastime, okay, of her house, watching what was happening in the street outside. What was she observing every time? She was observing that what is happening in the street outside. Every time watching, whatever. Maybe the dog is going out, the car is coming, whatever. Okay, this was her hobby. So please keep in mind what was her hobby or what was her pastime. Standing on the door and watching everything straight outside. Okay, next part. There were no playmates, a friend with whom a child plays of her own age on a street, and this was about all she had to do. So as she was alone, children, she was completely alone. So something has to be done. What a child can do of this age. So she was only standing at the door, watching everything, whosoever is coming and going. And somehow, in his corner of his mind, only one thing was arose, that is why this bus is coming and going every time at the same time. But for Wali, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as in the elaborate games other children played. So detailed manner means what she also observed that the other children are playing, how they are playing, what they are doing, how they are enjoying. This is also a kind of a time pass for him. She was enjoying all this moment. Okay. Watching the street gave her many new, unusual experiences. She watches, she understands, she sees. There are ifs and buts, there are plus and minus points every time at every moment, children. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. This was the most fascinating thing for her, most fascinating, children. And the thing which made her attracted, that every time this bus is coming and going. Okay, so this was the main thing. It passed through the street each hours, going to the town, and once again coming back. The sight of the bus, filled each time with a new set of passengers, was a source of unending joy for Wali. She was seeing that all are going, again coming back. Few new again people are getting inside again. So this was her best observation. What she was doing, coming and going and coming and on. Few of the people are regularly going, few new people are going, they are again coming back. So this made her very interesting about all the things. Okay, this coming and going back was a big interest for Wali. Okay, and that gave her unending enjoyment. Day after day, she watched the bus and the anyway a tiny wish. Gradually, a tiny wish crept, moved slowly and carefully in order to avoid being heard or noticed into her head and grew there. She wanted to ride on that bus, even if just once. I just now told you now before I started the chapter that the small wishes, small things actually rises inside your brain, and somehow you feel that kash mein agar baith paate. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire, very intense and hard to deal with. Wali would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Who is this lovely child, beta? Who is this lovely child doing this absurd kind of work? हाँ मजा आ रहा है ना बेटा करने में Good. Stare wistfully, longfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. She also was that who all are getting in, who all are coming out, who got up, who got down, every day who is going, few time, sometime who all are going. So everything she was, because this was her hobby, this was the best time pass. Their faces would kindly kindle, set alight a fire, her feelings in her longings, dreams, and hopes. Okay, so this started building her dreams. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights, managed to see or observe, of the town to her. Wali would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, proud, proud. Now let me children first of all explain you all what is proud, proud. Here in proud means like using slang words है ना for a friend, like for example when somebody does whatever you wish in front of you, like for example you wanted to go to US, right? And some of your friend came down from there only, and the friend is saying that I enjoyed like this, I enjoyed like that, I was there here, I went there, I went there. So regularly continuously saying that, somehow you also will get irritated and you also shut up, बकवास बातें मत करो, and you say continuously these type of statements, right? क्योंकि तुम्हें गुस्सा आ रहा है, you are getting frustrated, you are getting irritated, so you take out few words from your mouth. So those words what you are taking out from your mouth, children. So here Wali was always saying proud, proud. बहुत घमंड है ना तुम्हें. So this type of statement. Okay. So she was always giving. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights, managed to see or observe of the town to her, Wali would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, proud, proud. See the expression of her face. Hold on. Okay. Neither she was of, nor she her friend really understood the meaning of the word, but they used it often as slang expressions of disapproval. समझ में आया? I just now told you, no? It was a slang expression. Proud means she was actually an informal word, or she was shouting with all aggressions in her mind. Okay. Over many days and months, Wali listened carefully to conversations between her neighbors and people who regularly use the bus. And she also asked a few discreet questions and here and there. So she started listening to the conversation among them. है ना? And is careful and prudent in one's speech or actions, especially in order to keep something confidential or to avoid embarrassment. So the discussion was going in her mind, in her thoughts, that what is the wrong thing, why they are discussing in this manner, why that they are conversing in this way, why these people are discussing in this manner of like something they want to hide. Okay, carefully to conversations between the neighbors and people who regularly use the bus, and she also asked a few discreet. Yes. This way, she picked up various small details about the bus journey. The town was 6 miles from her village. Now, just imagine the town was 6 miles from her village. So, she was calculating how much time it will take, how much money is needed, how I will go, how I will come back. As I'm a small kid of only of 8 years old, named as Wali. The fare was 30 paise one way, which is almost nothing at all, she heard one well-dressed man say. But to Wali, who scarcely saw the much money from one month to the next, it seemed a fortune. ये बहुत tough था उसने पैसे निकालना. Large amount of money or assets. Okay. So she was again struggling for money also, and she was thinking that how she will manage the money and how she will adjust everything. That 30 paise only of one run. That means she needs 60 paise to go and to come back, isn't it? Let's see ahead. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her, hold on, let me complete the para first. The trip to the town on the 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home at the same bus itself. This meant that she could take 1 o'clock afternoon bus. She reached the town at 1:45 and be back home by about 2:45. And she just wanted to ride the bus. That's all. That was her own wish. On and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. Well, one fine spring day, the afternoon bus was just on the point of leaving the village and turning into the main highway when a small voice has heard shouting, "Stop the bus! Stop the bus!" And a tiny hand was raised commandingly, having command or controlling. दिखा रहा है, मैं भी चढ़ूंगी like this. Okay. The bus slowed down to a crawl and the conductor, sticking his head out the door, said, "Hurry then, tell whoever it is to come quickly, quickly come in. Don't waste your time." It means shouting, "Wali, I am the one who has to get on." By now, the bus had come to a stop and the conductor said, "Oh, really? You don't say so? 8 years?" He was shocked. "Yes, I simply have to go to town," said Wali, still standing outside the bus. "And here's my money." She showed him some coins. Okay, but first you must get on the bus," said the conductor, and he stretched out a hand to help her up. Okay. "Never mind," she said, "I can get on myself. You don't have to help me." The conductor was jolly. "Oh, please don't be angry with me, my fine madam," he said. "Here, have a seat right up there in front." This is the conductor who is telling that, "Madam, please don't say like that. I'm always ready to help everyone." So the conductor is always ready, na? So she was saying, "No, I don't need any help." And the conductor was showing the seat. "Everybody move aside. Please make way for madam." It was a slack time of day and there was only 6 on the 7 passengers on the bus. A time when there is not much work. Okay, so it was a free time. You see, you can see the bus with few people and they are relaxed. Okay, there was less rush at 1 p.m. Slack time is, at that time the rush is a little bit less. Okay. So here what I am discussing the scene and how she first time rides the bus. They were all looking at Wali and laughing with the conductor. Wali was overcoming with the shyness, avoiding everyone's eyes. Hold on. Let me complete the para first. Avoiding everyone's eyes, she walked quickly to an empty seat and sat down there. All the people were looking to her only because she was such a small, cute little girl. And how she alone sat down and even she was riding to the place. So Sharmana, it's written in the Hindi over here. You can see that Shai means Sharmana, and you all know it very well. With the conductor, Wali was overcoming with shyness, and she was only of 8 years. Yes, we will see ahead in the next slide. May we start now, madam? The conductor asked, smiling. Then he blew his whistle twice, and the bus moved forward with a roar. Chal padi gaadi. Okay. With a loud sound. Roar means the loud sound. You know how the bus or the truck moves with a loud sound, isn't it? You know it, na? It was a new bus, outside painted and gleaming, white with some green strips along the sides. Inside the overhead bars shone like silver. Okay. So this was the thing. You can see it. It's very clear. Directly in front of Wali, above the windshield, there was a beautiful clock. The seats were soft and luxurious. She was enjoying the ride actually. I can see slowly the students are moving out. This is very bad, children. And unless I give you the permission, you can't move. They are talking about the outer structure of the bus. How does it look? How was the seat? How was the clock and everything? It was very luxurious. And the seats were very soft enough. Wali devoured everything with her eyes. महसूस कर रही थी, looked and absorbed the view. She was enjoying the view outside. She was traveling. That was the biggest thing what she wanted, isn't it? So she's just enjoying her dream. But when she started to look outside, she found her view out cut off by a canvas blind that covered the lower part of her window. Now see what happens. A strong coarse unbleached cloth made her hem flax or a simply yarn. A screen for a window, especially one on a roller or made of slats. Okay, now let us see what happens. The bus was now going along the bank of a canal. Just see the place, isn't it? Just see the place. An artificial waterway. The road was very narrow. One side there was the canal, and beyond it were palm trees, grassland, distant mountains, and the blue sky. So somehow she was being very scared of, and sometimes she was very feeling it's a countryside area she is passing by. So I'm going to stop here only, and we will continue in our next class, as because the next turning point begins from here. If there is classes tomorrow also, I will continue, or else I will start after the Diwali vacations, and we will have tomorrow a small Zoom meeting, and that is unofficial one. So I just want the timing what you all are slotting for. Just let me know first. Thank you so much for attending the
Ma'am, 8 o'clock.
Okay. Morning.
No, ma'am, not in the morning.
No, ma'am, not.
Okay. You just send me in the WhatsApp, okay?
Around 6.
Okay, beta. Take care. Bye-bye. Enjoy.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Happy
Thank you,
Diwali in
ma'am.
advance.
Have a
Happy
nice day.
Diwali, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Happy Diwali to you all also. Let's meet tomorrow in the Zoom.
Yes, ma'am.